Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for Southeastern Pike County, Indiana, Warrick County, Indiana, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This storm produced wind damage as it moved through Livingston County, and a wall cloud and funnel cloud was reported, while the storm was in Union County, Kentucky. This dangerous storm was located over east-central Evansville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the warned area include Chandler, Boonville, Linville, and Folsomville. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Pike and Warrick.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash